Okay guys, so let's make some gluten-free dark soy sauce. So in order to do that, we're going to be using 1 cup of, in my case, I'm using jaggery powder, which is a raw cane sugar, or you can use brown sugar. So 1 cup of sugar. And to make it gluten-free, we're going to be using tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce. So we need 1 cup of tamari. Okay. All right. Let's get our saucepan now. Okay, so we're going to add our tamari to our pot. We're going to add our sugar. And we're going to stir. Now, jaggery powder, you can actually smell the molasses in it. And basically, dark soy sauce is not really salty, it's more sweet, and it is used basically for the color, you know, to get that dark color to your dish. So I'm just going to continue stirring this until all my sugar dissolves, and I want this sauce to thicken up a bit. All right, so I'm just going to continue stirring this until it dissolves, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're just going to allow this to thicken up a little bit. Now you have to be careful with this, guys, because this can start to bubble up and overflow. So you don't want to leave your pot at this point in time. You want to keep on stirring. If you notice it's coming over to bubble, then lift the pot up so that it doesn't bubble over. So you can see how it's getting dark here. And so this is about ready for me to turn off, because I can see that it's darkening even more. The bubbles, you can look at the bubbles and you can see that the bubbles are darkening even more. All right, I think I'm going to turn it off now.